Hello guys, in this video, our objective is to calculate the confidence interval for each set of thermocouple readings. Enter the dataset for reading for two thermocouple as thermocouple 1, thermocouple 2. Both will be in megavolt. In order to find confidence interval, we need mean and standard deviation. So firstly, we will calculate mean and standard deviation. To find mean, we use average function, that is equal to average A3 to A17 and average B3 to B17. Now to find standard deviation, we use STDEV function, that is equal to STDEV A3 to A17 and STDV B3 to B17. Here the provided level of significance of the confidence level is alpha is equal to 0.05. Now use count function to calculate n sample, that is equal to count A3 to A17. So degree of freedom will be equal to n sample minus 1. So 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. Now to calculate the t value of thermocouple, we will use TINV function, that is equal to TINV lower boundaries for thermocouple 1 we use is equal to D3 minus in bracket D15 into D7 upon square root SQRT E9. Similarly for thermocouple 2 is equal to E3 minus E15 into E7 upon square root E9. For upper boundaries for thermocouple 1 is equal to D3 plus D15 into D17 upon square root E9. And for thermocouple 2 is equal to E3 plus E15 into E7 upon square root E9. Thus, the confidence interval for thermocouple 2 data is greater than thermocouple 1. Hence, thermocouple 1 is more reliable.